I'm just doing a quick video here to show how to put this rail on the back of a Chiappa PAK-9. You can see there it is. What I'm going to do is pull out this swivel stud, throw this rail on here so that it can be used to mount a folding brace. This rail is available for about $15 through most online places. You can, I'll put the part number in the comments, so you can just search that part number. You should be able to find it in several places. And it's a whole lot cheaper than the $50 version sold by Stormworks. I'm not going to bother posting me taking this thing apart and putting it back together because it's pretty freaking simple. So I will come back with an after pick once this is all done. Okay, part 2, we have our first challenge here. The piece that comes off that holds your swivel is that big. The bolt that holds this piece on is that big. So we have a rather large hole in the back there. Also, the bolt that comes with the little base plate is not long enough to fit all the way through the back to put a nut on the other side. So, figure out a solution and be back. Okay, back from Ace Hardware. Managed to pick up a 1032 by 1 inch stainless steel bolt that will fit. Also a 5/16 lock washer and a gummy nut to put it all together. Also, I forgot to mention, for taking off the swivel, all you need is a thin 10mm wrench, and that will come right off in one piece. And we'll be back once this is all put together. Okay, we have the rear piece mounted on. Just going to shine a bit of a flashlight on there. Fairly centered, fairly leveled, all pretty much just done by eye. And on the inside, you see our little gummy washer, etc. For $15 plus 70 cents in hardware at Ace, we now have a rear rail to mount a folding brace on the Chiappa PAK-9. Okay, just a quick wrap up here now that I have this all together. Just go over what else I've done to this. That is our new rear M1913 mount. We have a Krebs custom safety lever, which I'm not sure if you can see or not, but it's used to hold the bolt back. It also moves the safety release much closer to your thumb. Cheap ass red dot on there. And a Caw Valley linear compensator on the front, and a Mako grip, Mako foregrip to just keep my fingers away from the barrel. That bipod is just so I don't have to hold this while I'm doing it. The bipod is not usually on there. And let's see if I can get a view of the linear compensator from the front. And okay, I'm going to piece these all together and get these posted for you. Bye-bye.